Hi there, today I am gonna tell you about making a perfect hot coffee within 5 minutes at home in easy steps. This yummy frothy coffee can be enjoyed any time of the day as winter is coming. Best way to celebrate winter is through hot cup of coffee. First, pour 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder in the mug. Add 2 teaspoons sugar and 2 teaspoons hot water and then mix them together. Take a handheld frother and froth the mixture until it changes color from dark to light brown or it becomes creamy. Normally it takes 1 to 2 minutes to do it. If you don't have a frother, you can use hand whisk or spoon, but it would take longer time to have creamy texture. Then pour hot milk in the mug and delicious coffee is ready.